Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best upholstered bed frame on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Zenus Upholstered Bed Frame. The Zenus Cellini Upholstered Platform Bed Frame is an attractive and practical choice for furnishing a bedroom. Its luxurious diamond pattern stitching adds an elegant touch to the space. With a maximum weight capacity of 700 pounds, this bed frame is perfect for couples or families. The interior steel framework and dense foam padding provide a comfortable foundation for any mattress used with it. This bed frame is designed for convenience, as no box spring is needed. What we like about it: easy to assemble, cost-effective product, sturdy frame and supports the mattress well, tools included for assembly. What we don't like about it: parts are not well labeled. Number 2. DHP Upholstered Bed Frame. The DHP upholstered bed is the perfect piece of furniture to bring style and comfort to any bedroom. With its modern vertical stitching on the rectangular headboard, this bed is a contemporary and eye-catching piece. It comes into stylish colors, classic gray linen or black faux leather that will surely fit any decor. In addition to its sleek design, the bed frame provides comfort and durability. It features a headboard for added support and comfort while you sleep, while its sturdy wood and metal frame construction with center legs provides extra support. What we like about it: it fits the box spring and mattress. Comes with tools needed for assembly. Good quality at an affordable price. It comes with clear instructions. What we don't like about it: not the most durable frame. Number 3. Forino Upholstered Bed Frame. The Forino Upholstered Platform Bed Frame is the perfect bedroom addition for any style or decor. Its simple, stylish design provides function and beauty. This bed frame is crafted from quality materials such as composite wood and nylon fabric with CARB P2 compliance and 100% polyester media, making it sturdy and stylish. With a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, this bed frame can easily accommodate all your needs. What we like about it: easy to assemble, includes all necessary hardware, sturdy enough for everyday use. What we don't like about it: not strong enough to support 2 people. Number 4. Alwi Upholstered Bed Frame. The Alwi Queen Bed Frame perfectly combines modern glamour, comfort, and durability. With its stylish giant wing backs and plush foam padding, this platform bed is a luxurious addition to any bedroom. This bed frame features a sturdy steel framework and solid wood slats that offer excellent support for any type of mattress and can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its simple parts packed in one box. What we like about it: easy to set up, affordable price, adds a pop of color to any room. What we don't like about it: the headboard is basic and thin. Number 5. Yahitek Upholstered Bed Frame. The Yahitek Upholstered Bed Frame is an attractive and practical platform bed frame with an adjustable square tufted fabric headboard. This bed frame is simple to assemble and requires no box spring for maximum comfort. It is highly stable, featuring a metal frame, 8 strong legs, and 12 solid wood slats that can support up to 360 kilograms/794 pounds. It also has an EVA foam design on the metal frame for extra safety. This queen-size bed frame features a height-adjustable panel headboard that can range from 113 cm/44.5 inches to 123 cm/48.5 inches, allowing you to choose the perfect height for your needs. What we like about it: convenient to set up. Cushioning provides optimal comfort. What we don't like about it: hard to assemble. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.